Hi, my name's Lucas. I'm at my half-acre vegetable garden and I've got tons of hot peppers ready for picking. So let's get harvesting. So these plants here are the red rocket cayennes. It's a type of hot pepper, not super hot, but definitely spicy. Wow, these peppers just look really awesome. They're long and dark red, amazing peppers. Just look at all those peppers under there. Absolutely insane. Spicy peppers as far as the eye can see. Wow, this pepper is huge. There's lots of red peppers on these plants, but there's also a ton of unripe green ones. These ones should be ready probably in a couple weeks from now. Okay, so now you've seen just how productive my cayenne pepper plants have been, but I also have tons of jalapenos. Okay, so this is a variety called El Jefe, and you can see this plant is just loaded. It might be kind of difficult to see on camera, because the peppers kind of camouflage into the plant. They're all dark green, but it's just ridiculous how many peppers are on this plant. So you can see it's the classic jalapeno that you'd find in your local supermarket. Just a really productive, healthy plant that's been producing tons for me, and I can't wait to harvest all these peppers. Also, I may have forgot to mention it, but this is a variety called El Jefe, which means the boss in Spanish. And these plants sure are boss. Jalapenos are usually picked when they're green, but you can pick them when they're red. And I think they just have a bit more flavor and maybe they're a bit spicier as well. Beautiful sky right now, look at that. That is just amazing. I just harvested a bunch of cayenne and jalapeno hot peppers, but in the end, I didn't even make a dent in the row. There's still tons of peppers to be picked, so I'm definitely gonna be coming back here soon. Do you ever just feel like you wanna throw peppers up in the air? Well, I do right now. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video, and remember, there's gonna be sweet pepper harvests coming very soon, so stick around for those. Also remember, never eat a hot pepper unless you have a glass of milk nearby. I'm gonna regret that.